In this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Solid Fill and select this fill color. Let me zoom out. Go to Insert, go to Shape. I have to insert a parallelogram shape and let me click on this. Hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Now click on this, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. And click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to 3D Rotation, click on Preset and click on Off Axis Top 2. Then go to 3D Format, go to Depth and make it 25 point. Then again click on this, go to Shape Effect, go to Bevel and click on Convex, and this is looking beautiful. Now let me click on this, place it like this. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and again press Ctrl D to duplicate and select all of this and place it like this. Press Ctrl G to group them together and you may increase the size using the Shift button, and this is perfect. Click on right button, go to Group, make it ungroup. Now let me select this one, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill. Let me select a fill color like this. Select this one, go to Shape Fill, select another fill color. Select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to Morph Fill Color, Standard, click on this color. Select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to Morph Fill Color, Standard and select another fill color. If you want, you may change it, and this is beautiful. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to here, change the dash type to this one and change the white to 4 point, and you may change the dash type to this one, and go to Begin Arrow Type, click on this one, go to End Arrow Type and click on this one, and this will be perfect. Now let me click on this, go to Shape Outline, go to Eyedropper and select this color and place it like this. Click on right button and send it to back. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here like this, and go to Shape Format, Shape Outline, Eyedropper and select this color. And let me write some dummy text here. Change the font, decrease the font size, make it center, place it like this. Now let me select this one and this shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this. Select this one, click on right button, send it to back. Now let me select this shape, go to Shape Format, Shape Outline, Eyedropper, select this color, select this one, Shape Outline, Eyedropper, select this color. Now let me copy and doing the same task. Place it here like this, select this one, keep it here, click on right button, send it to back, select this one and this one, go to Shape Outline, Eyedropper and select this color. Select this two, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Select this two, go to Shape Outline, Eyedropper and select this color. Click on this one and send it to back. Click on right button, make a duplicate slide, go my first slide. Select this one and this shape, keep it outside of the slide. This one also, keep it outside of the slide like this. Let me zoom out, select this two, keep it outside. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, right here, Infographic slide. Change the font spacing, increase the size, place it here. You may change the color like this. Now press Ctrl C to copy and copy the text. Go my second slide and paste it over here and select the text box and decrease the font size to 1, make it center, click on right button and send it to back. Now select this two slide, go to transition, click on morph and let me watch the slideshow. Here you will see this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.